Locking up your SIM card on Android phone is one of the great features security that you can offer your phone. This is because if your phone gets lost or somebody stole your phone, by the time the phone off and by the time they on it back, the SIM is going to require PIN code. And with that, by the time they enter the wrong code in 3 times, the SIM is going to be blocked. And with that, the person that stole the phone will not be able to have access to your phone call, messages, and your apps, and some of your mobile banking app. And this is one of the reasons why you need to lock your SIM card. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to actually lock your SIM card on Android phone. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here, settings. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to security. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and where you see SIM card lock, click on that. You have it this way. Now, if you are using dual SIM phone, you can lock the two SIM at the same time. And for you to lock the SIM card, what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here and lock SIM card. SIM card remain 3 times. So you have to enter 4-digit number. Just like so. Having entered the 4-digit number, click on OK, and with that, you can restart your phone. By the time you want to on the phone back, the SIM is going to ask you for the PIN code. But make sure that the number you enter is a number that you will never forget each time you want to have access back to the SIM card. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply lock your SIM card on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.